Happy New Year everyone. 2021 just went like this. Seems like 2022 also will go in the same way, considering the number of cases which have been rising off late. Don't know what 22 has in store for us. But anyways, we'll come straight to the topic. You guys would have already seen in the thumbnail or the title, but this accessory is a must have. I've used many GoPro accessories and nothing like this one, or the sort of time it will save or the energy it will save for you guys. It will be unmatchable. If you're thinking, why is he saying so much about this accessory, I'll show it to you now. See, to give an overview about this product was initially built by a company named as Snap Mount. They are from the US, but again, once they did it, many third-party companies started following their design, and eventually I ended up buying a third-party design because the original company or the original Snap Mount, it costs upwards of what 6,400 or 6,900, I believe. Again, it is not available in India also. It's available only in the US. If you can see here, it is available in the US website, but it costs somewhere around this amount, and which is a bit expensive is what I felt. Just for a magnetic mount, I didn't feel like paying so much. Then I went to the third party companies, and then I happened to found the product which I got now. So one of my friend was coming down from the US, so I asked him to get it along. But again, if you don't have anyone coming down from other countries as such, there's a website named as Banggood. You can order this product from there as well. It's by the name of Ulanzi GP-16. If you see it here, this is the product. They say that it will be delivered in like what 25 days or 1 month. But then I had ordered this product from the same website. If you can see, I have attached the screenshot. You can see the order number as well here. So I had in fact ordered this product, but then I waited for close to what 2 months, and then it was never shipped. And when I got in touch with them, they said we don't have it in stock. So once it's available in stock, we'll give it to you. So again, I thought it's not worth the wait again, and then I cancelled the product. I got the refund also, so that's not a problem there. So let's do the unboxing now. Here is the product, guys. It's called Matare or something. Again, this is also made in China. Yeah, this is the product. Let's see what are all there inside the box. Let's see what are all inside. First we get this bolt, and I believe some washer is there inside, so we'll keep it here. And yeah, we get this what we call this is the neck tag. You can put it around your neck and then fix the magnet here. You can loop it in here. I'll show you how it is done. Okay, we get a phone mount as well. This you can attach it to the GoPro, and this you can attach it here and then fix your phone here. Pretty useful thing. And we get 4 bag straps is what I feel. What you can do is you can loop it in and then wrap this around to the shoulder strap of your bag, and then you can attach the magnetic mount. So I believe it's done like that. I'll show you guys this as well. This is the metal plate. I'll show you why it is required and when it can be useful. And the main product is this. This is the one which I was talking about. So basically this is a magnetic mount. It is pretty hard to remove as well. The magnets are pretty strong. So yeah, these are the 2 plates which you get. This is the base plate. I'll show you now. So suppose this is the GoPro you have. This is the default housing which you get your GoPro in. Again, if people are not familiar with this is the default case which you get your GoPros. So what you do is you attach it here. Maybe it's a bit tight because it's still new, and yeah, I believe that should be enough. And boom, you have your GoPro ready. So the main advantage of this is, I'll show you guys. Let me tell you, this product is very useful when it comes to B-roll shots. If people are not familiar with what B-roll shots are, it's basically someone else filming you, as in you're walking somewhere and then someone is filming you, or if you're riding a bike and then people who are coming or going ahead of you, they are filming you riding the bike. It's not like you're filming the road from your helmet or how you ride. It's basically others who are filming you. So that's what's called as B-roll shots. Just to give a perspective of how useful this is and how much time it will save, I'll just show you a quick example. Now let's say I want a shot wherein I'm walking in between these bikes and towards the gate. I want to shoot this on a GoPro. I'll show you how difficult it is to shoot on a GoPro and then how easy it is to do it on the new mount. See, this is the GoPro stick and this is the easiest method wherein you can make a GoPro stand by itself. Just count the number of seconds or minutes it takes. Okay, I did it as fast as possible, not sure how many seconds it took. Let's see how much time it takes to get the same shot for the new mount. Okay, the main thing is you'll have to find some sort of a metal surface, preferably steel, because again magnets don't stick to aluminium and all. So something steel. Let's see, I'll try to get the same shot. Boom, that's it. I basically stuck this to the end of the silencer and then that's about it. And then I got the shot within like 2 seconds, and that shot took well over 30 seconds I believe. Not sure though, I'll put the countdown any which ways. So yeah, this is how useful the accessory is. And also I was telling you can use this as a chest mount as well. You want to film yourself doing coffee and you want it from your point of view. Again, both your hands will be busy. So rather than using a chest mount, strapping everything around, or using a headgear or something, you can just put in this tag like this, loop this around the magnet. I think the loop has to be done before. So yeah, this is done. You can put it like this, get this thing close, and it will automatically stick off this thing. Make sure you don't have your fingers or something near this because it's pretty strong, might get injured. So yeah, you've got your GoPro like this and start filming yourself doing coffee like this. So this is how easy it is. Also one more thing, this shoulder straps which I was talking about for the bag, I'll show you how that works as well. I've just put a loop like this, take the end of the strap, put in a loop, yeah, do the same thing to the other side as well. Once you mount it, it becomes like this, but you still want your hands to be free and then you want to film your point of view without any chest strap or head strap or anything fancy like that. Once you do like this, boom. I just did it just in a hurry, but then if I do it correctly, it will be kind of secured here, and then yeah, you can film yourself hands free. So this is how this metal plate will be useful, but this is kind of a permanent thing. You have a 3M tape here, so once you stick it on any surface, it's kind of permanent there, just like any GoPro mount wherein you fix it with a 3M tape and then it sticks on there. It's like a permanent thing. This is somewhat similar to that, but this comes in handy wherein you want to take multiple shots in the same angle, but then you do not want a permanent thing, or you do not want your GoPro to go inside, slide it, lock it, then again remove it. So you do not want to do all that. So that's when this metal plate comes in handy. This is obviously magnetic, but it doesn't stick onto the pannier because this is made of purely aluminum. So that's when this metal plate comes in handy. I've already put one metal plate before. So what you can do is you can just stick it like this. Although this metal plate is not so strong, but you can still get the job done. So yeah, see, you can stick on to the metal plate like this, and then your GoPro will be like this. although this is not very sturdy. Maybe in high speeds it might fall off. So if at all you are taking this shot, go at low speeds. So yeah, once it is stuck like this, unless and until this pressure put in, it won't come off. I hope this video was helpful, and I would have left the links of where and all you can get the original product or the third party ones like the ones which I took. You can click on the links, and then if you're interested you can take the product. And yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to give a heads up on the product which I got. Kind of happy with this, worth the money. If I had paid around 7k for the same product, I would have been disappointed. But paying 1900 for the same product. Just as I was about to end, my camera died, so I just took the GoPro from this and then ending this vlog. Do comment down below if you have any doubts, and if at all you like this video, please hit the like button, share it, subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, bye.